Now, a day after the young woman lawyer completely demolished his claims of being targeted, Justice A.K. Ganguly finds himself isolated, and the demand for his resignation is only growing louder.
Issued a fresh statement slamming his letter to the Chief Justice of India claiming innocence. And Justice Ganguly had refuted allegations of sexual harassment and had said that his side of the story is being denied a fair hearing. Ganguly alleged that he is being targeted for his judgments. In this letter, Ganguly protested the leaking of the intern's affidavit to the media. And the law intern statement reads now, the one that has just been released, and I quote, "Since the university did not have a policy against sexual harassment of women students during an internship, it was indicated to me that any action would be ineffective. I was also informed," she says, "that the only route for me was to file a complaint with the police, which I was reluctant to do." She goes on to say, even after the operative portion of the report of the committee was made public, many eminent citizens and legal luminaries continue to deride the committee's findings and malign me. And then she says, to preserve my own dignity as well as that of the Supreme Court, I authorized Ms. Indira Jaising, the Additional Solicitor General of India, to make my statement public. I request that it be acknowledged that I have the discernment to pursue appropriate proceedings at appropriate times. I ask that my autonomy be respected fully.
I cannot take this letter seriously. After the intern made the comment on a blog, the Supreme Court formed a 3-judge panel. The 3-judge panel gave chance to Justice A.K. Ganguly to depose, also the intern to depose. After that, the 3-judge bench, the panel, opined that A.K. Ganguly's behavior with that intern was unwelcome. On the basis of that, our party has made a demand for his resignation from the post of West Bengal Human Rights Commission.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो लॉ इंटर्न सामने आ गई तो कोई भी हिंदुस्तान का कोई आदमी भी गंगोली साहब को बचा नहीं सकेगा। अफसोसनाक बात यह है और बड़ी अफसोसनाक बात है कि अब यही जजेस, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस, लोकपाल बनेंगे और लोकपाल बनके इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स को जब चाहेंगे कपड़े उतार देंगे।
उनके ऊपर आरोप लगे हैं, तथाकथित आरोप हैं, और ऐसे में उनके लिए बढ़िया होगा कि नैतिकता के आधार पे वह इस्तीफा दे दें, और यदि उनको लगता है कि वह गलत नहीं है तो कानून के सामने आए। जो कागजात उनको चाहिए, जो नहीं मिले हैं, वो मांग लें। कम से कम यदि उनको लगता है कि वह इसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो फिर कानूनी कार्रवाई करें। रोज फजीहत क्यों करवा रहे हैं?
A day after Justice Ashok Ganguly shot off a letter to the Chief Justice of India raising several questions regarding the Supreme Court panel that has been formed and a report that has been submitted before the Chief Justice. Here in Kolkata, protests are raging. You know, the ruling Trinamool Congress is continuously taking to the streets demanding resignation of Justice Ashok Kumar Ganguly. And as you can see, several women from, the All India Legal Aid Forum, which is doing this on behalf of the Trinamool Congress and the ruling establishment, they are keeping up their pressure and they are hitting the streets today. They are once again going to go towards the West Bengal Human Rights Commission office and they are going to demand the resignation of Justice Ganguly.